2000 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Look at that. What we got done on it, something a little different. Factory converter, there. Why is it a single? Phone always rings. Then we put on it a Flow FX muffler this time, not the resonator type. Part number 72198. There will be a link in the description. FLOWMASTER Flow FX. Single in, dual out. All the way back, it's 3-inch in, 2.5 outlets. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, as you guys can see there over the rear axle. And then some 3.5-inch angle cut tips out the back there and there to complete the look. Came out absolutely magnificent. Look at that, sexy. And there's the old exhaust. It's seen better days, as you guys can see. Right there and right there. There's the tailpipes, everything. It was just rotted out. So we freshened up the old gal. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. It sounds so much better. Here's sound decibels. FLOWMASTER Flow FX 96. Again, on the sound decibels. Again. Got some nice graphics on the back too. I like them out the sides, it looks a lot cleaner. FLOWMASTER Flow FX. What do you guys think? Like or dislike? I like it, it's clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. All right, guys, GMC Sierra 5.3. You like it? All right. Get on it when you leave. Get a FLOWMASTER Flow FX duals. Listen to that beast. All right, beast mode. Enjoy, guys.